bulk hiring sounds great until resumes start piling up. You have hundreds of candidates coming in, multiple recruiters reviewing them, and everyone is moving fast. And suddenly, the shortlist depends on who reviewed the resume. That's where Automatan helps. In this walkthrough, I will show you how Automatan turns a batch of resumes into structured, decision-ready insights. So, your team can compare candidates clearly and keep screening quality consistent. I'll start by creating a new agent. Then, I'll select a transformation from the AI transformation store. Python developer resume analysis and add it by clicking here. Then, I will select all the insights that I want Automatan to look for inside each resume. I'll start by selecting score, current role, education, work experience, industry fit, and stakeholder-specific insights. After this, Automatan will ask you to upload a job description. In this case, I am uploading this specific job description. We have role overview, some information such as company location, experience, employment type, salary range, and the notice period. We also have job description bullet points written in detail here with core requirements needed for the job. I'll upload the job description here. Now I will select the resume batch. Now instead of opening every resume one by one, what Automatan does is it prepares each file to be reviewed through the same structure. I'll select all the profiles needed for the analysis. Once the resumes are selected, I'll click on Run. Automatan reviews each candidate document and turns raw resume content into clear hiring insights. Think of it as giving your team a consistent first pass, but of course, without the chaos. Now I can view the results. We can see score, work experience, current role, education, candidates industry fit. You could also click on here to see a complete view of stakeholder-specific insights. So, instead of scattered notes, different interpretations, or I think this person looks good or this person doesn't look good, your team gets a structured view of every candidate. This makes it easier to compare, shortlist, and move forward with confidence. And that's the workflow. Choose Python developer resume analysis, select the insights you want, upload resumes, run the agent. You can view the insights. For bulk hiring, Automatan helps your team move faster, compare candidates clearly, and keep screening quality high even when the resume pile gets big. Get expert-grade insights for your hiring team today. Book a demo.